Welcome to Wexler Productions. Today we're going to show you how to start a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. So first you're going to open up DaVinci Resolve. And here you're going to have this page. And we're going to go new project. And we're going to say how to start a timeline. And you'll have this section of DaVinci Resolve pop up. This is like your main page. You'll go File, and you'll go New Timeline. And you name your timeline, so let's just name it how to create timeline. Why not? You can toggle use my project settings, or you can leave that off where you'll basically have more control over each timeline setting. So obviously the more timelines you have inside DaVinci Resolve, you'll have more control if you leave that setting off, whereas if you use project settings, obviously that basically houses all the timelines to be the same settings. So if we toggle this off, you then can go into your format, change your resolution and your frame rate. And in the color section, obviously, is where you're going to do all your color changes to set up your timeline. And once you've done all that, you go create. And here you'll find your editing page, and you can obviously pop all your footage into the media pool here. And then from there, you'll drag it into your timeline. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe for future tutorials.